Making $1 million is so simple. First, just find a product that you can sell for $10. And then sell it 10 times. And then do it 10 more times. And then do that 10 more times. And then do that 10 times again. And finally, do it 10 more times. This video will break down the proven formula to become a millionaire, starting from zero. But warning, this has a 99.9% failure rate. Let's start with number 1, sell something for $10. Congratulations, you just entered the top 10.4% of people that work for themselves. Most fail by not even trying. This is the biggest filter, getting rid of 89.6% of people. But don't overcomplicate this stage. A $10 sale could be as simple as an Uber Eats delivery. And those are the exact young men I want for our Content Academy. Those that will push to get what they want out of life. And that drops today. But these first 4 layers of the equation will make you $100,000 in the next 400 days. The last 2 layers will make you a millionaire, but will defeat you mentally. Number 2, sell that 10 more times. Let's take Uber, right? But instead of driving for a comfortable 6 to 7 hours like a regular job, drive for 12 hours. And before you tell me that is impossible, I did that myself and generated $250 that day. Now, that $1,000 goal can be achieved in 4 days. Tip 3, multiply that effort 10 more times. About 5% of the remaining few are probably gonna quit at this level. Follow the exact 12-hour schedule I just gave you, and you will make your first $10,000 in the next 43 days. Think about it. Your life could look completely different in a month. But every excuse comes out when you have to do a hard task that's already difficult at 10 times the effort. I need rest, work-life balance. Oh, I want experiences. Oh, I need my weekends off. Refocus your mind. You gotta work like your dreams depend on it, because they do. No one's coming to save you. These skills that I'm teaching you and the first 4 steps of the equation will get you to your first $100,000 in the first 400 days. That's a little bit over a year. 4, now do it 10 more times, but smarter. Everyone can work hard. Look, our parents worked hard, but they weren't millionaires. It's going to require you to go back to school and lose more money than ever before. You're already making 6 figures. To get to the million, you're going to have to learn a new skill. For example, one of my favorite skills to recommend for somebody that's starting with 0 to get to the million is to become a UGC creator. UGC is user-generated content, and big brands will pay you for this content even if you have no followers. This is how you execute. First, you will optimize your Uber deliveries. You're going to stop delivering in times that are low earning on those downtimes. You're gonna go back to school and learn. But here's the thing, you're not going to a traditional institution. You will read everything you can get your hands on for a skill like UGC. Here's where it gets hard. There's no teacher telling you there's a deadline. You're also going to get graded, not by a teacher, but by the market. What that means is that when you invest $1,000 of your hard-earned money into an idea, the market will judge it, and it will most likely fail. However, with UGC, brands are willing to pay you anywhere between $100 and $300 for a mere 15-second video. That is a 10 to 20x greater return compared to the deliveries you make with Uber. That is a high leverage skill. Now you might be thinking to yourself, oh, this will be easy. The grind will be the same. To start, you will first build an Excel sheet with all the brands that you want to work with and their contact information. Then you will make it a goal to email 50 brands daily. By the end of the week, you should have emailed at least 350 brands. Your email template can be simple. It could look something like this. So now, your new 18-hour schedule will be from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. You will be sending out emails. From 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you will be delivering. From 2 to 5 p.m. you will be learning and perfecting your new skill. From 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. go back to Uber, and then from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. you go back to your emailing. You heard that right. You will grind for 18 hours. I've been at this for 10 years, and I'm putting those exact numbers every single day. Out of whoever is left, almost everyone will fail at this stage. So you're now physically burnt out from how much work you're doing. You're also mentally burnt out because of how much new information you're trying to learn. you're also morally burnt out because of how many failures you're facing. And then you're seeing your friends have a good time every weekend and your family is relaxing. This is the point that most stop and ask themselves, what's the point? But remember, it's supposed to feel exactly like this. It's supposed to be this hard. And if it's not, it's usually a sign that you're not pushing enough. I'm telling you this from experience because this is exactly what I did. I was going through college. I had a full-time job, and then I would come home and cold outreach brands at night. In 2016, I closed $400,000 in brand deals. 2017, 1.5 million. The work is difficult, but I will be working directly with you to get you to the other side and minimize your failures. I will leverage my size and the hundreds of brands that I've worked with to help you secure your first UGC deals, while also helping you develop your own personal brand. And that, you can scale up to an 8-figure business. Over 1 million men have joined us in this great filter series. Only 0.1% will be admitted in. For those of you that act fast and show determination, you'll be placed at the top of the list. And if you get in, get ready to work harder than you ever have before. If that is you, take action now and join by clicking the link down below. Now, let's talk numbers. Let's assume that you had to send 50 emails to get your first yes. That means that you need to send 350 emails to get 7 brand deals a week. But I'm training you to want more, so double it. That means that you will send out 700 emails every week. That would be around 60 deals a month at $200 a deal. That would put your UGC business at $140,000 a year, plus your Uber hustle at about $100,000. You're a quarter of the way there. Once your UGC income outpaces your Uber income, you can stop delivering and keep that same work ethic and focus into your new skill. Now, out of the remaining 2% that is still here, 1.3% of you will fail this final step. Number 5, now do everything we just talked about for 10 years. Only 0.1% can survive this last part of the equation. That is the percentage of people that can generate $1 million a year. And you're so programmed to think that there is a fast or easy way to make money because of all the young millionaires you see online. But I'm not here to lie to you. Over the next 10 years, you will face ongoing emotional turmoil, physical stress, and mental fatigue like never before. This last 10x is not optional, it's mandatory. It takes the average millionaire 19 years to get there. You're not special. And thinking that you are is the wrong mindset that will cause you to quit early, like the 99.9% that never make it. Better yet, I'm going to make you a promise that is backed both scientifically and personally. If you can hold on for an indefinite amount of time, you will be successful. At this point, you've spent time honing your skills, creating UGC content for brands. Now take that and become a brand yourself. You already have a network of hundreds of brand connections. You can easily leverage those into becoming high-paying sponsors, where deals can reach up to $100,000 per deal. This is exactly what I'll show a select few of you in the Content Academy. This is going to make your process faster by having the knowledge of what not to do to avoid all those failures. I'm offering you a true millionaire blueprint, a step-by-step guide. And if you believe you're up for the challenge, you're exactly who I'm looking for. Because I just don't want anyone joining this movement. It is exclusive for the top 0.1%. Because I only want young men that are focused, that are willing to put in the work. I want the community to be strong. So you only work side by side other men of your same caliber. Click the link below to take action and become a true $1 million man. You're seeing all the struggle, all the hardship that it's going to take to become a millionaire. So today is either day 1 or 1 day. Will you dream about it or will you take action? I'll see you guys inside.